Welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to configure single sign-on in Joomla with Entra ID as the identity provider. First, download and install the Mini Orange SAML SP extension from the Joomla extensions directory. Now go to your Joomla dashboard. Here, first click on Components. Then, click on Mini Orange SAML Single Sign On, and then click on Service Provider Metadata. In this menu, go to the Download XML tab and click on the Download Metadata XML button. Save the XML file on your computer. Now, go to your Entra ID dashboard. Now, click on Microsoft Entra ID. Then, click on Add and select Enterprise Application from the dropdown. Here, click on the Create Your Own Application button, enter the app name, and then click on the Create button. Now, under Setup Single Sign-On, click on the Get Started button. Click on SAML. Now, click on the Upload Metadata file, select the file by clicking on the Folder button, and then click on the Add button. Finally, click on the Save button. Then, copy the App Federation metadata URL and go back to the Plugin Setup menu. Go to the Service Provider Setup tab. Then click on the Add New IDP button. Enter the Federation metadata URL in the given field. Then click on the Fetch Metadata button. Finally, click on the Test button. You will see a Test Successful window with a list of the received attributes if the configuration was successful. Now go to your Joomla site. Here, click on the Login with IDP button. Enter your Entra ID credentials and sign in to your account. You have successfully logged into your Joomla site using Entra ID. Enjoy a 7-day free trial and experience all our premium features. Reach out to us at joomlasupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at plugins.miniorange.com/Joomla to learn more about our products.